Lecture 18. In this lecture, we learn a new probability distribution, and this probability distribution between 0 to 1. Generally, we have discussed the probability distribution, normal distribution, it ranges between minus infinity to infinity, gamma distribution, it ranges between 0 to infinity, uniform distribution, it ranges between defined 2 points, A to B, whatever the value of A and B, A should be less than B, like that. But for particular purpose, we need some distributions which lies between 0 to 1. And one of those is the beta distribution. To get the idea of this beta distribution, we saw in the gamma distribution, it was the gamma integral and its value was equals to gamma 1, and it was called gamma function, and we make it at a probability distribution by multiplying the reciprocal of 1 by m into this, and gamma distribution arises. Similarly, there is another mathematical function called Euler's integral of first kind, and it is defined as integral of 0 to 1 x to the power mu minus 1 minus x to the power nu minus 1 dx, and the value of this integral comes to be beta mu nu. Beta, this b is called beta, and it is not a capital alphabet B, it is a capital letter of Greek word beta, Greek letter, small Greek letter beta. So it is read as beta mu v. So if you want to get the value of integral like this, the result will be beta u v. So if you multiply this 1 upon beta u v in this integrand, then it will be equal to, the integral will be equal to 1. And by taking this idea, a probability distribution was defined as fx is equals to 1 upon beta mu nu x to the power mu minus 1 x minus 1 minus x to the power nu minus 1, x lies between 0 to 1, mu nu greater than 0, and it is known as beta probability distribution. And in literature, its name is given a specific name, beta kind 1 distribution or beta type 1 distribution. Okay, so and generally we denote it at beta 1 mu x. Now let us explore this distribution, means let us know about the moments of this distribution. So let a random variable x follows beta 1 mu nu, then the density function can be written as this. Now, how we know to evaluate, how we evaluate gamma m. Similarly, we can evaluate the beta mu nu. Beta mu nu comes to be equals to gamma mu into gamma nu upon gamma mu plus nu. So whenever we need the value of beta mu nu, we can solve the beta by this gamma transformation. Now expectation of x, it is simple, 0 to 1 x into PDF of x. So it is like this. Now this x is added in the power of mu plus 1, it became mu plus 1 minus 1. I do not solve it as mu, because my motive is to evaluate this integral value by the help of beta integral. So here it should be minus 1, here it should be minus 1. So I put like this. Now it is equals to beta mu plus 1 nu. Now to get the solution exact value, we convert this beta value in terms of gamma and simplify it, and we get mu upon mu plus nu as mean of beta 1 random variable. Okay. Certainly it will be between 0 to 1, and it should be between 0 to 1 because our x lies between 0 to 1, hence mean should be in between 0 to 1. Similarly, expectation of x square was evaluated, and hence the variance of x was found to be mu nu upon mu plus 1 mu plus nu plus square. Again, it will be in between 0 to 1 because it is variance of x, and x lies between 0 to 1. Now for other moment, you can obtain expectation of x to the power r in general, and it became to be this one. And now you can put r barabar 3 or barabar 4 to get the expectation of x to the power 3, x to the power 4, and after solving these gamma integrals, the results are given as this. And hence you can evaluate mu3 by the relation of a non-central moment, and after simplifying we get mu3 is equals to this much. Okay. Similarly, we can get mu4. Again, it will need complicated solution of the terms, but you can solve by the help of books, and you can obtain mu4, beta 1, gamma 1, gamma 2 of the distribution. However, we can evaluate easily the harmonic mean of beta type 1 distribution, because x will be adjusted in the integrand of x, and as we did in the gamma case, it is equals to mu minus 1 upon mu plus mu minus 1, and this for the condition should be mu greater than 0 and mu plus mu greater than 1, such that it comes positive. So another distribution which is called beta type 2 distribution. This distribution is transformed version of beta 1 distribution by certain substitution, and it ranges between 0 to infinity. So what is the beta type 1 density function? It is 1 upon beta u v x to the power d mu minus 1, 1 minus x, mu minus 1 dx. X lies between 0 to 1. Now if we make this transformation in this function, so our x will be 1 upon 1 plus y, dx will be minus 1 upon 1 plus y square, and when x is 0, y is infinity, x is 1, y is 0. And now if we put this transformation in 2, we get this one, and y lies between minus infinity to 0. Since it is minus, so we can remove this minus and we can change this lower limit, upper limit, interchange. We can interchange this. So it is 1 upon beta mu b y to the power mu minus 1, 1 upon 1 plus y to the power mu plus mu dy, y lies between 0 to infinity. Now beta mu nu and beta nu mu will be same when we convert it gamma and solve its numerical value. So we can write beta mu nu at beta nu mu to make the symmetry as beta 1 distribution. So it will be 1 upon beta nu mu y to the power nu minus 1, 1 plus y to the power mu plus nu dy, and y lies between 0 to infinity. Or in general we can say that Fy is equals to this much is the probability density function of beta type 2 distribution. No doubt it is probability distribution because it is transformed case of beta 1 distribution. Now again we try to find the mean, variance, etc. of this beta distribution, and for this I obtained expectation of x to the power r in general, and by solving we get expectation of x to the power r is equals to this much. Now by putting r is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., we can obtain non-central moments of beta distribution, and hence we can obtain mean, variance, and other moments of the beta type 2 distribution. Now mean is mu upon mean of the beta type 2 distribution is mu upon nu minus 1, nu must be greater than 0, 1, and variance comes to be this much. Now if you want, so that the harmonic mean h of beta 2 is this one. So it is not a complicated thing. You can prove that very easily. Now come on, question number 2. or utility of this the proportion of defective television tube made by some company has a beta distribution. Proportion means random variables value lies between 0 to 1. Proportion always lies between 0 to 1. So it is a matter of beta type 1 distribution, and alpha is 2 and beta is 3. What is average proportion of defective tube in that company's make? So we have not to do nothing. We have to obtain expectation of x for beta 2, beta 1, 2, 3. Find the probability of defective tube lies between proportion lies between 0.2 to 0.5. So again I am coming on the question. So here this is density function. Expectation can be obtained by alpha upon alpha plus beta. I have taken the definition mu as alpha and nu as beta in this problem. Okay, so now probability this one. This probability can be converted in CDF form like this one. Okay, so this is equals to if we want to direct integrate by density function, we can integrate the density function of beta 1, 2, 3, and its solution comes equals to 0.387. But again a question arises, if our parameters are large in number, then these integrals not easily evaluated. In that case again we make a relationship of probability of beta 1 distribution with the probability of binomial distribution. To understand this, let x1 follows beta 1 alpha beta, and we want probability of x lies less than equal to p, a proportion value where p lies between 0 to 1. Then we obtain it by calculating probability of y greater than equal to alpha. Alpha means this, where y follows binomial distribution with parameter alpha plus beta minus 1 and p. So provided, but the basic thing is that alpha beta must be integer value. So here our alpha and beta are integer, and we want probability of x less than 0.5, means beta probability, beta random variable for p is equals to 0.5. Now we can convert this probability into binomial probability by this relation, and we can say that this is equals to y greater than alpha, greater than equal to alpha. Alpha means 1. So y greater than equal to 1. And what is the distribution of y now? Distribution of y is binomial 1 plus 3 minus 1 and 0.5. So we can obtain it by the help of this binomial probability y barabar 0, and it comes to be similarly if I want probability of x less than equal to 0.2, where x is beta 1, 3, we can say that this is same as probability of y greater than 1 meant alpha, where y follows beta distribution with alpha plus beta minus 1 comma p. P means this value, and it is equals to 161 by 125. Now the required probability can be obtained by this relation, and it is 0.378 as it was previously calculated. So it helps in calculation of probability. Now we have to do the exercise given to you with the solution, and these exercises are from the book of B.K. Rohatgi. So you do the exercise and send in the WhatsApp group. If you have any problem, you can ask directly or indirectly on my WhatsApp number.